Hi all, this is Dr. J streaming live from Long Island, New York, where it seems to be pleasant enough outside. Took my morning walk, followed by some exercise that I do online, followed by a half-hour QIGONG that I did prior to this show. I cheated, in other words. The more you practice, the more you build up the energy in your body, the qi. Qigong is a healing modality. It's a very powerful healing modality. It's also great for relaxation, clearing the mind. I believe it's one of the best uses of Qigong is for progressive neurological diseases like Parkinson's, what I am afflicted with. Also not simple, but problems such as headaches and migraines, I think, can be cleared up with Qigong. Or greatly helped. Now, like any healing modality, you have to believe in the outcome. You have to set an intention, what you intend to heal. And if it's not healing, it's just your general well-being and relaxation, and that should be your intention, to relax and have better days than you would have without doing 15 minutes of healing Qigong. Should begin to feel it between the palms of your hands, a little tingle. We're gonna end with powerful visualizations to help alleviate our afflictions, whatever they are. I'm going to illustrate healing the heart, the head, migraines, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's. Feel like this magnet's repelling you. Like it's difficult to bring your hands together. You could do Qigong seated, standing, lying down, and even in your sleep. One Chinese master that I follow says everything you do is Qigong. Qi is everywhere. We are in Qi. I am in Qi right now, a giant bubble with billions and trillions of Qi particles, energy, pure energy. And Qi is in me. Let's stand a little and try to establish a Qi field. I also think besides intention, you have to show gratitude and express gratitude. So be grateful for your health, whatever it may be. Be grateful for your accomplishments in life today. Be grateful for all the material possessions that you have. And I am most grateful to all my loved ones and colleagues and people in my life, especially teachers and religious leaders that I've known that have helped me. So I'm very grateful for that. And my intention is to alleviate the tremor eventually and to stop the Parkinson's in its tracks, which is difficult considering it is progressive, just like Alzheimer's and ALS, but it progresses at a different rate of speed. So we're going to We're going to do a few exercises for the lungs. We're going to bring our hands up in front of our chest. Exhale as we bring it back. Bring it down. Down a little more. Let's get into our QIGONG posture. You can check previous videos for details. Storing the energy in our dantian. Men left hand first, right hand second. Women the other way around. Feel the qi entering through the palms of my hand, of your hands, on the horizon in front of you, far away in the distance. Feel the qi entering through the palms of your hands from the universe above, past the Milky Way, further and further out, from all around the universe. Qi is entering through the palms of your hand, through the middle of your head, fresh healing qi entering your body, through every pore in your body. Feel the qi entering from the ground below. I'm harmonized with qi, harmonized with qi. Qi is in me, I am in qi. Feel the qi in the palms of your hand. Feel the qi from the universe above. With each inhalation, feel like it's a breath that's raising your hands above your head. Visualize your brain being healed. No matter what's wrong with it, migraines, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, ALS, doesn't matter. Qi, pure qi, is entering from your palms of your hand, healing the brain. You can begin to feel it as you practice Qigong daily. You can feel the powerful, pure Qi entering your brain. Not only enters from the palms of your hand, it enters from the universe above, from the horizon in front of you. Exhale down. Imagine a Qi ball that you're going around. Inhale up, exhale down. Let's grab a chair. And then with powerful visualizations for healing the heart. These two fingers are called our sword fingers or laser fingers. So we're going to imagine the coronary artery disease that you have, the arteriosclerosis, the sludge in your arteries, dissolving as the Qi is entering your heart. And once it dissolves, we want to get rid of it. We don't want it hanging out. It's kind of what happens when you get a stent put in, right? The plaque, where does it go? So we want to get rid of it. Let's bring it up to the head to get rid of those migraines that occur usually around the temples or the forehead, wherever your migraine is. I know you don't necessarily have one now, but put your hands where they would be. Typically, it's in the same location. So heal the brain in that area. Any blockages in the meridians will be cleared. And once we do that, we want to remove the bad Qi. So let's remove the bad Qi. Throw it away. Throw it away. Throw it away. Throw it away. Alzheimer's patients, you want to get rid of the beta amyloid protein, that's clogging up your neurons. So we're going to use our sword fingers and clear it out. We're going to melt it away. Melt it away. Melt any plaque in your brain away. We don't need it. And then throw it out. Throw it out. Throw it out. Parkinson's patients, same thing. We're going to start with a massage of the basal ganglia in the middle part of the brain. So imagine your two fingers on each hand are penetrating through the cranium, through the layers of the brain to get to the basal ganglia in the middle part of the brain. And I'm massaging it, healing it. And as you're massaging it and healing it, your brain is lighting up. All the little neurons are lighting up and firing and working great. They're lighting up like a switchboard. All right, now that we've done that, let's move it to the back of the brain. We want to remove the plaque that's clogging up the dopamine-producing cells in the substantia nigra. That plaque is called alpha-synuclein protein. Let's get rid of it. Laser it out, or just brush it out, or take a dental, imagine your fingers are dental instruments that the dentist uses during a cleaning, and just get rid of that plaque. Free the neurons from the plaque so that they can once again produce dopamine and allow dopamine to go to signal the basal ganglia, which we just massaged, to communicate with our peripheral nervous system to control our movements better. Once we get rid of that plaque, let's throw it away. Throw it away. Throw it away. Throw it away. Remember, Dr. J is not a medical doctor. I advise that you talk to your medical doctor about starting any exercise program, even when it's a very benign one like this one. So that would be my absolute recommendation, a requirement for the course, for joining me on a daily basis, is that you ask your doctor first. My neurologist said, why not? It can do no harm and it might even help. And for a Harvard-trained physician who doesn't believe in holistic anything, that's a tremendous compliment when I explain to him what I'm doing. We're now doing a Qi wash. We always end with a Qi wash. Washing the face. You can actually wash your face if you like. Smooth out the wrinkles. You can free up the sinuses. Let's just do an overall Qi wash for good health. This has been Dr. J, streaming live from Long Island, New York. Looking forward to seeing you Monday, Wednesday, Friday at around 11:30, Tuesday and Thursday at around 12:30. Hasta mañana. Have a great day. Don't forget your masks or whatever personal protective equipment you're wearing these days. And hopefully one day soon things will return to normal. Ciao.